This very rare by Wilkins B&W speakers. Very hard to find. Let's see how they sound.
Discover. The right bunch of people see you as
dust yourself off and try again.
in the government have become weaponized, and the media in a lot of ways has been weaponized. Remember, when we look at war and past wars, propaganda was a huge weapon, and it still is in warfare. It's a huge weapon.
Me da coraje ser el pez que se tragó el anzuelo.
Nosotros, exactamente. Él traía los
Hospital's accredited chest pain center and heart services for care when minutes.
7, and your call is completely confidential and free. Take 5 minutes to talk with a caring and compassionate admissions navigator.
If I didn't know you.
That is made in England, very rare by Wilkins B&W speakers. Thank you for looking. Good luck.